Hello and welcome again. You're watching the breaking news show on CNN News 18 and I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll be bringing you all the top headlines from the nation and across the globe. And at the top of this segment, we have got some breaking news now coming in with regards to the harrowing fire accident that transpired here in the national capital at a children's care unit. At least 7 newborns, according to the updated reports, have unfortunately died in a massive fire that broke out at a children's hospital in national capital late Saturday, which was yesterday. The Delhi Fire Services have said that it received a call at about 11:32 p.m. about a fire at a baby care center in Vivek Vihar area in East Delhi, following which as many as 16 fire tenders were rushed to the site to douse the fire. Now an FIR has been registered against owner, who is currently absconding, is the latest report that we have received. And we have another breaking news now also coming in with regards to the same news. Well, we are learning that Madam President Draupadi Murmu has offered her condolences to the family of the babies who were unfortunately killed in the fire accident in the national capital. She has said, and I'm going to quote a few of the lines from her tweet on Platform X, that the news of the death of many children due to a fire in a hospital in Vivek Vihar, Delhi is heartrending. May God give strength to the bereaved parents and relatives to bear this shocking news. So that's the word coming in from Madam President herself. She has taken cognizance of that unfortunate news that transpired there in the national capital. We have CNN News 18's Yash Goel, who has been tracking this story for us since morning, joining us on the broadcast live from the location. Yash, tell us everything that has transpired there. What are the recent reports that we are hearing, since the death toll has also been risen from 6 to 7 now?
Well, it's a very unfortunate news. 7 infants losing their life in this very hospital fire which took place in Vivek Vihar here in the national capital. First of all, the visuals will give you the exact picture, the gravity of the fire. In fact, I'm standing right outside this very hospital where this incident took place. You can see this entire premises being turned into charcoal. In fact, this has been charred after that very strong fire took place here in this very hospital. You can see this was a van which was standing right outside the hospital. In fact, this was also charred when this incident happened. In fact, now the Delhi Police Services have also confirmed that this was because of a series of cylinder blast took place, and in fact that was all because of the cylinder blast. In fact, you can see the remains of these cylinders here also. And when we spoke to the locals and to the authorities, one thing is clear, that at around 11:15 the first blast was heard by the locals. What happened first, when this blast took place, the windows of the nearby homes also shattered, and then the people who were living right near to this very place actually came out and saw that there was a massive fire which broke out here at the hospital. In fact, we are also learning is that the owner who remains to be at large. In fact, an FIR has been registered against him in the matter pertaining to causing death due to the negligence. In fact, you can see there are certain volunteers continuously working over here to actually clear out and in fact to ascertain what actually transpired over here when that fire broke out. But this is something which this area has never witnessed, because 7 lives being lost, and that too of infants. In fact, the rest 5 who were there, the rest 5 infants are receiving treatment, and we are learning that they don't have a threat to their lives, but they have suffered some injuries, some burn injuries. In fact, when we spoke to others also in this very area, people who were
Right, Yash. In fact, the harrowing, and the dreadful visuals that you just showed us actually speaks volume about how massive this fire must have been. It speaks volume about the gravity of the fire as well. But Yash, could you also tell us, apart from the owner that you just told us has been gone absconding since the accident actually transpired there at the location, who else have been wrapped up in this particular case for questioning? What do we know about the investigation which is currently underway?
See, the owner of this place, his name is Naveen and he remains to be at large. FIR has been registered against him in sections including 336, which actually pertains to causing death due to negligence. In fact, we'll try to get in a word from locals as well from here, but most of the people have been removed from this very site because it is causing actually a lot of inconvenience of traffic. Snarls are also being witnessed, but when we spoke to some of the locals over here, they have to say one thing, that repeated complaints were made to the authorities about this very hospital, because this was around, this plot was actually divided into two and then a hospital was running from this very place. In fact, what the locals have to allege is that they also said that it was a small nursing home sort of a thing, it was a small hospital, and the kind of cylinders which were brought in, they were actually disproportionate to what actually the number of patients who were staying over here or receiving treatment over here. So it now raises a lot of eyebrows as to why those cylinders were brought in. In fact, not only this very building, but also some other buildings also received minor damages. In fact, a house nearby also was affected by this very fire. Now what we are also learning is that a thorough investigation will be done in this matter, and not only investigation, but the owner is still absconding. And in fact, we have seen how President Murmu has tweeted about it, how Chief Minister has tweeted about it. In fact, when we spoke to the locals, they only said one thing, that this area of Vivek Vihar has never witnessed something like this in last 40 years.
Definitely, Yash. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates. As you rightly mentioned, a lot of eyebrows are going to be raised and we are going to be asking all the right questions here on CNN News 18. We'll keep